Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nathi niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shapa fethu kunjani igama lami ngithini Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yeah. Yithi laba. Today we are looking at Mamelodi Sundowns. They will be playing against one of the informed teams, foot. Your homies.
My home team.
TS Galaxy. They just beat Stellenbosch 2-0 on their last game, whereas Mamelodi Sundowns, they played 1-1 draw with Orlando Pirates. And not so convincing in terms of like Mamelodi Sundowns. I know there were missing players. First, let's talk about the Mamelodi Sundowns, the impact that he return Mkwena will have.
Yeah, phela ngithi phela bidlala nawe iMamelodi Sundowns, so wayitshela ukuthi uyibambile ungayibambanga. So obviously the return of Mkwena is going to make a very huge impact. Phela na iSundowns in a pressure nzima manje.
Yeah.
In a pressure nzima. Looking at the log, it's not logging for them. So with Chiefs just behind them, so they obviously they're gonna have to win today, you know. No more Obasi for me. One I complain like last game, but obviously Mokwena will play today.
Yeah, for me, Mokwena is not just giving support at the back with Mamelodi Sundowns, because that's not what you only want. You want a team, a player that will push even forward. He
can
even
score
has
forward.
in his Arsenal, he's got those shots. Yeah. Keep about me wherever they are. When I talk about such things, they won't be happy. Yeah, but that's a fact. Yeah, he's just more than a player, but
obviously he's gonna play today.
Yes.
He's gonna play.
Yeah. So we expect the Sundowns to win the game. That's my expectation. I don't know about you. It's your home.
But wait. I don't want to sound like because TX Galaxy is my home team, and then I'm like, remember when TX Galaxy scored that goal and then they won against Sundowns 1-0 in Mobile. Yeah. So obviously we once spoke about this, that these small teams, so-called small teams, when they play these so-called big teams, they don't need to be motivated by any coach. They're already motivated.
Yeah.
So now looking at TX Galaxy, they come from winning against Stellenbosch and going to this game. Sundowns just came from a draw with Orlando Pirates. So obviously Stellenbosch, so the TX Galaxy will want to keep that winning streak going. So I don't think it's gonna be a walk in the park for Sundowns as well.
Yeah, true. And also considering the fact that in Mamelodi Sundowns this season, I think they still miss Repero. That's my own view. They still miss Repero. They're not the same Mamelodi Sundowns that we know, because of such of covering that position. Maybe if Umshishi comes back, there will be a lot of difference.
Yeah.
But with Nuno Santos, take nothing away from Nuno Santos. He is a good player, but I don't think he fits in that position or helps them in that position, because in a game that they played, that 1-1 game, you could see that they don't have a way of attacking now, and that is scary.
Yeah,
that is scary. I won't lie to you. But moving on, let's touch on the ETS, because I don't want us to look at only one team. ETS Galaxy, they've got some exciting players. Both Ditejan, Mahlambi. There's one who's coming from West Africa, if I'm not mistaken. He's a striker, that guy. He also scores. In fact, that team is an exciting young team. As you already mentioned, that they don't need any motivation.
No, they are motivated for tonight.
Yes, it's an audition for them.
Yeah.
It's even worse because their chairman mentioned this. It's there in public to say that we are a selling team, which means that if you do well, you're gone. So where else can you prove to your future employers that you are employable?
Yes. But I see them scoring again today. You get a fan about
TS Galaxy.
Yeah, I see them scoring.
Yeah.
Even though they might lose, but I see them scoring.
All right. So BTS for those who are
for team to score. For team to score.
It's
Oh,
BTS. But in Mamelodi Sundowns, there are also some notable players that I'm expecting to start, like Renas, for example.
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
he was coming from that illness that he
Yeah,
had. But I do feel like he will be ready to start this game.
and then
You
take out
can,
Shalolin.
yeah, I feel that's my feeling.
Hmm.
Yeah, because he actually helps them. The best striker we have in the country. I know we have Obama Hopper, we have Wanda Silva, but in the country right now, the best striker, you cannot take that away from Urena.
Not too fast.
In the country, not the players who are playing outside the country.
Okay.
Even if you mention Foster, for me, that's my own view.
Now I hear you, man. I hear you. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, I see a very tough game for both teams, and I'm sure Tears Colors will come to the party.
Yeah, it's an exciting game. Uh, we hope that they give us what we pay tickets to watch.
I'll appreciate Tears Colors winning though,
Yeah.
for
Okay.
obvious reasons, to keep the logging.
Yeah, guys. Peace.